You got me evicted. You know, you got me evicted. It's you're the reason why I couldn't find other housing at all. You know, I mean, I was looking for other housing and nobody wanted to rent to me. You know, and so I couldn't find other housing, and now I'm being evicted, right? And it's just you. The person that here's this woman, you know, in a purple V-neck dress, and you are hitting on Beyonce, you know, and you're still promoting child molestation. I mean, it's not as if all the people who were telling you to treat me, to, you know, call me a slut and stigmatize me to the world that way weren't always more promiscuous than I ever was, which, you know, they were. It's total hypocrisy. It's absolute hypocrisy. You're still telling people to sexually assault me. You're still threatening all sorts of other people. You know, I mean, you are the anti-human rights president. You're just a terrible president and a total hypocrite. You know, and here you are, you know, like laughing in my face about the fact you got me evicted. You're disgusting. You're a hypocrite. You're a rapist. You're a murderer.